Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to easily download and install Opera GX on Windows 11 in 2022. So this method is super simple. All you have to do is open up your default browser and then access the link that I posted in the description below. Basically this is the official page for downloading Opera GX. So what you have to do now is click on the red Download Opera GX button. Now decide on a location for where to download the setup file and click on the Save button. Now wait until the setup is downloaded and then simply access it directly from your default browser. You can minimize this window and then make sure to click on the Options button in the Opera setup. Now in here make sure that the installation path is the one you want to, and you can also fiddle with the other settings in here. Lastly, just click on the red Accept and Install button and then wait until Opera GX will be installed on your PC. This will take more or less time depending on the resources of your computer. And voila! Once the setup is finished, Opera GX will automatically open up on your PC. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.